Prosolv 5408e Vapour Degreasing cycle using hermetically sealed equipment. Cycle start. The load-unload section is ready for the load to be inserted. An exterior seal opens with the interior tank seal closed. The basket is then loaded onto the automatic lift. The seal to the exterior hermetically closed. The tank seal then opens. Cleaning phase. The basket descends into liquid Prosolv 5408e. Agitation is produced by ultrasonics or immersed sprays for a pre-programmed time. Vapour is produced by boiling Prosolv 5408e in the offset generator. Heating thyristors are controlled by a Vaportronic microprocessor, balanced to the workload. The basket is raised into the vapour control area to drain and dry parts. Cooling is produced by twin compressors operating on separate coil sets. The primary coil is for vapour control and condensate production, which occurs at around 15 degrees Celsius. A secondary cryogenic coil at -20 degrees Celsius aids the scavenging of solvents and moisture from the solvent-laden air. Condensate is passed through a cooled water separator to maintain solvent stability. Ventilation phase. The basket is raised into the load-unload ventilation area for solvent in-air removal. The tank seal closes to isolate the solvent tank, and the fan is started, producing a vacuum in the ventilation section. Air is admitted to allow circulation through the carbon absorption-desorption system without spillage into the work area. Prosolv 5408e is recovered for recycling into the process. Cycle end. The exterior seal opens to allow removal of the basket. The circulation fan runs continuously, protecting operators with zero emissions to the work area. Solvent concentration is measured continuously by an embedded PID sensor until a preset level is reached. See the graph below. The x-axis represents cycle time in seconds, and the y-axis represents Prosolv 5408e concentration in air and is measured as parts per million. For more information about the Vapour Degreasing cycle, please visit www.EnviroTech-Europe.com. In the fire.